Hey there, fellow Wyoming drivers. Are you tired of settling for just the bare minimum when it comes to car insurance coverage? Well, we've got some great news for you. In Wyoming, you have the opportunity to get cheap car insurance without sacrificing the protection you need on the road. You can get full coverage car insurance in Wyoming for as low as $75 a month. Yes, you heard that right. By shopping around and comparing quotes, you can find affordable options that offer comprehensive coverage, including collision coverage and liability coverage. But where can you find these great deals? Head over to FreeAdvice.com, your one-stop shop to compare quotes and make shopping for Wyoming car insurance a breeze. Let's find you the perfect coverage. Alright, Wyoming, land of Yellowstone and endless skies, beautiful state, but just like any other place, you gotta have insurance. Wyoming car insurance requirements state all drivers must have minimum liability coverage. This means if you cause an accident, your insurance pays for injuries and property damage to others up to a certain amount. Here's the breakdown. $25,000 per person for bodily injury, $50,000 total for everyone injured in the accident, and $20,000 for property damage. Minimums might seem okay, but what if the accident is big? Medical bills and repairs can skyrocket. And let's not forget the consequences of driving without insurance in Wyoming. You could be paying fines up to $1,500, jail time, and a grounded car. So don't risk it. Visit FreeAdvice.com today, where you can easily compare quotes from different companies with our free quote tool. You will find all the best deals collected together in one spot, so you don't have to waste time chasing quotes all over the web. And just remember, maintaining continuous coverage is key in Wyoming. But what about those unexpected bumps in your driving record? Let's talk DUIs in Wyoming before we jump into the top insurance picks. Driving under the influence in Wyoming is a serious offense. If you blow over a 0.08% blood alcohol content, that's a DUI. Refusing a breathalyzer test comes with its own punishment too, a suspended license. So what happens if you get a DUI? First DUI means a 90-day license suspension. Second offense, within 10 years, 1 year off the road. Third offense, get ready for a 3-year suspension. The penalties get steeper with more DUIs, with fines of up to $10,000 and mandatory jail time for repeat offenders. And if you rack up 4 DUIs in 10 years, you might be stuck with a breathalyzer interlock device in your car for life. That's not exactly a scenic route, Wyoming drivers. If you're looking for an easier way to navigate the insurance maze, head on over to FreeAdvice.com. Just use our free search tool, type in your zip code, and instantly get matched with car insurance quotes from top providers in your area. We've covered the need to know about car insurance laws. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the real question: how to score the cheapest rates. We've compared a bunch of companies, so get ready to see who offers the best deals. When it comes to Wyoming's minimum car insurance cost, the cheapest insurance provider is Liberty Mutual, offering rates as low as $17 per month. State Farm comes in next at $19 per month, and slightly higher is Travelers at $23 per month. On the higher end, Allstate charges $36 per month, and Farmers is at $30 per month. So choosing Liberty Mutual over Allstate is equal to a $19 difference every month, and that adds up to a potential $228 saved in a year. This proves that by shopping around, you could be putting some serious savings back in your pocket. But remember, minimum coverage is like a flip phone in the smartphone era. It gets the job done, but there are better options out there. Head over to FreeAdvice.com and use our free quote generator to see how much you can save. You will get a customized list of the lowest rates from providers near you. Now, another coverage you can choose that is not mandatory in Wyoming, but is a smart choice if your car is your prized possession or your primary mode of transportation, is full coverage. Full coverage kicks in if your car gets damaged in an accident, stolen, vandalized, or even suffers from a surprise encounter with a runaway, tumbleweed, or other natural disaster. Wyoming's full coverage car insurance cost is pretty reasonable compared to other states, with just an average of $75 a month. But just like with minimum coverage, there can be a big difference in price depending on the company you choose. Liberty Mutual offers full coverage at $75 per month, followed by State Farm at $82 per month, compared to pricier options like Allstate, which can set you back $155 a month. So by choosing Liberty Mutual, you could be saving a whopping $960 a year on full coverage. That's some serious money you could put towards other adventures on those open Wyoming roads. As you can see, comparing quotes is a must to find the best deals. But don't waste time hunting down quotes one by one. Visit FreeAdvice.com today. With our free quote tool, you can instantly compare rates from top providers. Try it out today. I bet you'll be surprised at how much you can save. But let's face it, even the most careful drivers can have an accident. So what happens to your insurance rates in Wyoming if you damage your record with a ticket, an accident, or even a DUI? Here's how much your driving record can affect your rates with different providers in Wyoming. A single accident might only increase your premium by $41 a month with Liberty Mutual, but with Progressive, it could jump by a hefty $81 more. Tickets can also sting, so be mindful of those speed traps. Now, the real consequence? DUIs. We're talking serious money here. Geico, for example, could charge you over $200 extra a month after a DUI. That's a huge difference compared to State Farm, which might only bump it up by about $7. See the difference? USAA offers the cheapest full coverage across the board, but remember, USAA is only available to military members and their families. So, for those who are shopping around for the best rates after an accident, a DUI, or a ticket, FreeAdvice.com can be your hero. Start your search with FreeAdvice.com's free search tool to see which companies offer the best deals in your zip code. Alright, so we crunched the numbers and compared user reviews to find the top car insurance options in Wyoming. Now let's see who comes out on top. Our top pick for car insurance in Wyoming is State Farm, charging just $82 a month for full coverage. They have a low complaint ratio and a strong AM Best rating, ensuring reliability and quality service. Another insurance powerhouse, Geico, offers full coverage in Wyoming for $111 a month. While not the cheapest, Geico holds a solid reputation for customer service and low number of complaints. Ranking third best is Progressive, offering full coverage for just $106 monthly. They earn strong marks for customer satisfaction and maintain a low complaint ratio as well. But you have to pick the best provider that's best suited for your exact needs. The good news? You don't have to decide right away, and you have more than just 3 choices. Visit FreeAdvice.com to compare quotes from all the best providers in one place. We make it easy to find the provider where you live that offers the perfect balance of price, coverage, and reputation. And there you have it. You've learned about getting the best deal on car insurance in Wyoming, from minimum coverage options to discounts, and how your driving record can affect your rates. But here's the best part. FreeAdvice.com can take the hassle out of shopping for insurance. Head over to our site and you can get quotes, compare rates, and explore all your options from our list of top Wyoming providers, all in one place. No more jumping from website to website. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Let us also know in the comments if you have any experience with the companies we mentioned today. Did State Farm really live up to the hype? Share your thoughts and help out your fellow drivers. And hey, while you're here, subscribe to the channel for more insurance tips and tricks. Speaking of top providers, check out our detailed review of State Farm. Look at customer reviews, average rates, and financial strength to see if you agree that they should be the #1 car insurance company in the US. Check out our video review for some juicy details you should know. And last but not least, if you know someone in Wyoming who is car insurance shopping, share this video with them. Maybe they're looking for a better deal with Geico, Progressive, or any of the companies we mentioned. Sharing is caring after all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.